Both Michael Grabner and Patrick Maroon.
So speed and size, two good elements for their team.
Ovechkin fires and scores! A beautiful one-time relay.
There's number 48, and he's 2 away from 50. And the fans already up on their feet less than 3 minutes in. Handcuffed Ovechkin. But I've always said he is the best player in the world at adjusting to passes. Here's the pass, rink wide, and look where he shot that puck. More in front than normal, Allen, but he still got it away with a lot of velocity.
And you look at the pass from Kuznetsov, how far Schneider had to go from side to side. It's impossible to get it all the way across because of the little bit of delay by going back to pass that puck.
Orlov's long wrist shot that goes wide. Nason is there for the Devils. Keeps it tidy along the boards, but then coughed it up. Ovechkin scores! 49 for the Great Eight.
And that puck had a whole lot of curveball on it, a little bit of knuckle. As he gets that pass off the wall, corrals it, takes it down, puts it on the ice, and that puck just had so much movement that Schneider did not stand a chance.
Good shift by that line, all started by Kuzi to Wilson. They keep the heat on. And OV has got the shooting feeling here tonight, and the fans are loving it. There's the failed clear along the wall, and there's the shot. And it doesn't get any cleaner than that. Nason made a big mistake right here on the backhand, trying to flip it out. It'll be unassisted. The rolling puck, the curveball, the knuckle puck, you name it. And it's past the catching mitt of Cory Schneider.